Greetings and welcome back to Mr. Joules. Mr. Joules has evolved. What you can see is Mr. Joules version 1.1. First of all, I've increased the capacitor bank to 1923 microfarads, so just under 2 millifarads. That will increase the energy in this up to 153.84 joules in theory. I've also increased the safety. I've changed that little flimsy screen to a much thicker, this is a 4mm thick acrylic. I'm hoping this will suffice for the time being. Also, I've added another micro switch as an interlock. The charging circuit will not engage no matter what until this is fully closed. If the micro switch is depressed, it disconnects the charging circuitry from power supply and instead connects this light bulb to the capacitor bank. This is a 30 watt halogen bulb. This will act as a quick discharge, rapid discharge resistor. Right now, if I was to engage this, as you can see, I've opened the chamber and the light bulb comes on. It will only commence charging if I close the chamber, and it's going up, charging to its full potential voltage. This is more of a convenience thing, because very often if something exploded in the chamber, there would have been charge left and I would have to wait, and it was discharging quite slowly through the voltmeter alone. Now if I open the chamber, it quickly discharges, so now it's safe to touch. Also, I've made the chamber a little bit brighter and cleaner, basically wallpapered it with some masking tape and some white paper. So in today's episode we will be testing a diode. This is a Shottky rectifier diode 31DQ06 from Vishay. This diode has got maximum backwards voltage of about 60 volts according to the datasheet. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to connect this diode backwards. We'll see what happens to it when it's grossly overloaded backwards. The diode is mounted in the chamber. Engage Mr. Joules. So we've got this, the contactors engaged. Let's close the chamber. And it's charging. Let's see, will this Shottky rectifier 31DQ06 from Vishay withstand 400 volts in reverse? That will be interesting. This is Shottky rectifier diode 31DQ06 from Vishay in Mr. Joules, connected backwards. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was loud. That was spectacular. There was quite a bit happening over here. One of my contactors gone all sooty in black. The chamber is full of smoke. I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, but it is smoking inside. And there it is close up. Those are the remains of the Shottky rectifier diode. And yeah, it split basically into two parts which are very similar. As you can see, very evenly split, and the middle bit just simply disintegrated into small pieces, some of which I was able to collect and some of it which just turned into dust. That's what happens when a diode gets overloaded grossly. It explodes. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Mr. Joules. Please do subscribe for more and make sure to give me a like if you enjoyed it. That's all for this short video. Take care.